What's up everybody, it's me Rosalie, welcome back to my channel. It is Christmas Eve today, so I think it's the perfect time to do a Christmas inspired makeup. Without further ado, let's get started. First step is to apply the base. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. This is definitely one of my favorites. If you have been following me on YouTube, you know that I use this all the time. It is a high coverage foundation. You don't really have to go for like a second or third layer. It gives you a really nice flawless look. Next step is to cover up my under eye circles, my pimples, or any imperfections on my face. I'm using the NARS Radian Creamy Concealer. I'm just applying it to my face and then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. To make sure my foundation doesn't move around for the whole day, I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. I grab some products with the same damp beauty sponge and dab it all around my face, concentrating on my under eye area, which my mascara tend to smudge, and work it all around my face. Once I'm happy with the base, I'm just gonna set it with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now let's move on to the eye area. First thing I'm going to do is the brows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I'm using an angled brush and following my natural brow shape, I'm extending and filling in with the color. For the front of my brows, I'm just using the angled brush to create some vertical strokes and then lighten them up with the spoolie end. Once I'm happy with the shape of my brows, I'm gonna use a brow tint. This one is from Benefit. I'm just combing the hair backwards and set them in place. Next, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to get it ready for the eyeshadows. The first shade I'm going to use is this metallic green color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm applying the color onto my lids with a flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'm gonna smoke out the edges with a clean fluffy brush. Make sure you take your time and work into the shadow to blend in the color. Using the same brush, going into this medium toned warm brown color. Using it as a transition, I'm blending the color into my crease. This will make the green look more natural and give my eyes more depth. Then I'm gonna go back into the metallic green and intensify the middle part of my lid. Also going back and forth with the blending brush, I'm just making sure the color looks seamless on my lids. Next color I'm going to use is this dark matte forest green. Going in with a flat angled brush, I'm using it as an eyeliner. To increase the intensity of the color, I actually sprayed some setting spray onto my brush and dip into the eyeshadow. I'm just working the color into my lash line little by little Also, don't forget to line your lower lash lines as well. Then I'm gonna apply some of this reddish brown color onto my lower lash line to create some contrast. For inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm using this frosty white color from the Pat McGrath Lab Mothership 3 palette. To add some final touches to the eyes, I'm applying some mascara by L'Oreal. For the cheeks today, I'm going in with something more subtle. I'm using the 3CE cheek color in Mono Pink. To give my face more depth, I'm contouring my face with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm using an angled brush to contour the hollows of my cheeks, the sides of my chin, and my forehead. I'm also giving myself a higher nose bridge with a small fluffy brush to contour the two sides. Next up, I'm gonna pop on some highlight. I'm using the ABH Aurora Glow Kit in the color Luna. I'm applying it onto the tops of my cheekbones, my nose bridge, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. For my lips, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty lip paint in the color Uncuffed. It is a muted pink color. Lastly, I'm just gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and we are done. Hope you guys have a safe and happy holiday. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!